What's up? It's your tech homeboy. It's your tech homeboy coming live to you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, do all that. You know how it goes. It's been over a week, but I'm back. And I'm trying to get better at this. I don't have time to be making all these videos back to back. If you check out my last video, you know I just bought a home. So I've been doing a lot of maintenance around the house, getting it done, a lot of initial maintenance. And I'm going to get right into the video. Make sure you check out some of the links in the video, in the description rather. Check out some of those links. And I'm going to get right into the video. Make sure you give me a like. Tell me what you think as well. So, right into it. What is your tech homeboy doing? What am I making a pivot to? What am I changing up? Like, dang, man, you just started making videos. You already changing up. Listen, the videos will still come out. You don't have to worry about that. But I'm about to make a pivot in my career, right? This is not the first time. For the last 3 years, um, what am I doing, right? For the last 3 years, I've been a part of projects where they are short of data engineers. Yeah, data engineers for the last 3 years. Other friends, relatives as well who are in the tech space, they're telling me, man, we're short data engineers. I'm always seeing, recruiter posts for data engineers. There's always a bottleneck caused because of the lack of data engineers. So that's the space I decided to go into. It's actually not the first time I've looked into this. It's something that I know is going to take a lot of time and hard work, but I'm ready for that. I'm genuinely interested in big data, right? Machine learning, all those kind of cool things, but mostly big data. Um, um, I want to move away from the agile space, and another reason why, being an engineer, being in this space puts me in a basket of highly probable remote roles, right? Highly probable remote roles. We can work from home, analyze data, and to overall support my aspiring digital nomadic life, right? So I want to get more into that basket of highly probable remote roles. Um, so those are some of the reasons, right? If I look good, if I smell good, if I sound good, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'm trying a different mic after some feedback. I am going for a different mic. All right. All right. So, what the heck is data engineering anyway? What the heck is data engineering? Well, we build pipelines from raw data, right? That's some people call it the source data. That's the first layer of data. And we build them for like data scientists, right? That's what my wife does. She's a data scientist. Um, we freaking maintain, like, design, we build large databases. We're involved with data warehousing. All of that is under the umbrella of data engineering, right? So if you didn't know, now you know. How long will it take? How long will it take? Well, my scope, I know, like I said earlier in the video, my scope, I know it's going to take a lot of time and heavy lifting. Probably going to take at least 2 years, right? Going to take time. I've observed others. I've observed other people's path. I've observed my wife's path. I've did studying. I got a scope of the work I need to do. Okay, I got a scope. So given my capacity, given my habits, given my weaknesses, given what I know, that's the timeline I'm giving myself. Right. I'm only racing with myself. I'm not racing with nobody. You know what I mean? So I'm just considering their timeline and I'm adding it on to my timeline. All right. So do you become a data engineer overnight? No, it's not an overnight thing. Um, According to my research, when I look at their career path, you're probably going to start as like a business intelligence analyst. I see those listings everywhere as well. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. And then you go into like BI developer and ultimately data engineer. Of course, you can take a different path like data scientist to data engineer. But that's the path. I know it's going to take a lot of lifting. What do you have to learn? So actually, let's go back to the BI analyst and BI developer. BI analyst, you're starting out at 70 to 80K. And every level, you're going up another 20 to 25K. So developer, another 20, 25K, starting from 70 to 80K. To developer, another 20, 25K. To engineer, another 20, 25K. All right. So it's going to take a lot of Python. It's going to take a lot of SQL, of course. It's going to take a lot of JavaScript, depending on which direction I'm going. But I know those two things, definitely a lot of Python, definitely a lot of SQL, right? To query the databases. And then I understand Python is used to like make your work easier. You can use Python in a lot of different like skill sets. A lot of people use it to make their work easier and to get themselves shortcuts. So of course, your tech homeboy is going to document this. I'm going to let you know. I'm going to fill y'all in from time to time because I'm actually going to be doing the work, right? I'm not a YouTube star. I'm going to actually be doing the work. You're going to see the struggles. You're going to see the little snippets of what's going on during my career path. But, hopefully this inspires you. If you have a crazy idea like mine, never be scared to pivot. Don't be scared to pivot. Quit comparing yourself to others, quit comparing life to others, whatever you're doing. There's somebody out there who's like looking at your life, and it's not only money related, right? It's not that somebody's like looking at your life, they want your money. Sometimes people just want your lifestyle. Sometimes people want the relationship you have with your mama. You know what I'm saying? Some people envy your hair. Yes, your hair. Some people envy your height, right? So they see you and you're you may think, you're not going through the best situation. You're not in the same situation or in the most ideal situation. And there's people who are envying your height and your hair, right? So just go for it, right? Whatever you want to do, just go for it. Don't worry about like, people looking at you, what pivots you need to go in. Trust me, whatever you're doing, someone's looking at you. Someone is aiming you. Somebody wants what you want. So, you know, take that for what you will. Like I said, I will be documenting my journey from time to time. Of course, you can always expect more general tech career conversations, any tech career advice, agile conversation. You can always expect that from me. And again, if I'm looking good, smelling good, sounding good, let me know. Leave a like and comment. Let me know what you think as well about this new direction. If you know anybody who's a data engineer, I might have a job for them. There's a lot of postings out there. They're probably already working. But yeah, let me know if you know any BI analysts as well, any BI developers. Let me know if you think I'm crazy. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your tech homeboy. I'm out of here.